welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today you're going to grab that pellet grill or your smoker, whichever one, and we are going to make smoked salsa. This is by far one of the best things to make through the spring and summer when you have fresh ingredients to use too. So you're going to need 6 medium Roma tomatoes, a medium red onion quartered, a jalapeno pepper halved, 3 cloves of garlic, half a cup of fresh cilantro, a lime, and then sea salt or kosher salt to taste. So that is going to be all you need. You can always add additional if you want it spicier, add more pepper, whichever you prefer. This is pretty mild. Actually, I prefer it this way, but it's totally up to you if you want it spicy. So the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat that smoker to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can use any pellets for this. We typically use a blend of pellets, but it's totally up to you. And then you're going to go ahead and get either a disposable pan like the one you see here or a cast iron skillet. And you're going to add your tomatoes, onion, jalapeno pepper, and garlic all to that skillet. And then I like to add just a little dash of salt as well. And then you're going to go ahead and put that on the smoker for 90 minutes at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is what I'm doing here. And then throughout the time that it is on the smoker, you'll want to go out and just kind of stir it up a little bit so that all of it gets smoked evenly on all sides. So that is what I'm doing here. I've gone out and I'm just going to give it a little stir and toss it a few times. Once it is fully done, you're going to go ahead and use a food processor and add all the smoked veggies to the food processor along with the fresh cilantro. You can use the juice from a full lime and then zest it as well and add in that lime zest. You're going to go ahead and pulse this well to fully combine it in your food processor until you get to your desired consistency. So once you've got that done, you can add salt to taste. And then we like to seal this and store it in the fridge for 24 hours before we serve it because it tastes a lot better cold. Otherwise, it's really warm whenever you are done with the food processor. So this is how you make smoked salsa. It's very easy to make in the pellet grill or on your smoker, and it's perfect for spring and summer. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Thanks for tuning in today.